Welcome to the Lift1 Service Tool Programming for the elevator telephone. On our PC, we've opened up the Lift Service Tool program and we've plugged in our ribbon cable from our programming tool into our Lift1 dialer, making sure to plug the black wire of the ribbon into the terminal where it says black wire on the dialer. If you get it back to front, doesn't matter, won't hurt anything, it just won't connect to the computer. So once you're plugged in, click connect. The system is looking for a phone to connect to. It's found one on COM9, then we just click connect. And it loads up the information from the phone, which at this point is at the default settings. The first thing we do is put in your service center or call center phone number. We'll put in 123456 for an example. That's the first number that the lift will dial in case of an emergency. Now, if you don't have a call center and you have several mobiles, you can program up to 6 different phone calls in here. Next thing we do is go to the confirmation mode. Now, we set this to 3. Loud dialing without confirmation. Confirmation is something that a lot of European elevator companies use, that when the lift dials in, they have to confirm back to the lift car via a tone that they've received the call. So if you're doing that, you can say use the P100 protocol, set it to 6. But generally we set this to 3. We don't need a confirmation. Next thing we do is just go straight down to the volume controls. Receiving volume is the sound you'll be hearing in the lift car. Turn that right up to maximum. Transmitting volume is the volume of the microphone. We put that to 20 because it's affected by the ambient noise in the lift car. So we try to avoid any distortion by setting it to 20, which is we found is the best setting. Message volume, put that right up to maximum because that's the sound of the voice that's going to be coming through from the recorded message, which we'll be doing shortly. So we've done that. That's enough information for us to plug the phone into a phone line and it will make an emergency call to a call center. So let's just click save to device. So that's already saved. Next thing we do is create a user message. So when we dial through to the call center, it will identify the lift. So we've got to user message menu, click new message. See, we've got a message up here. We put the microphone volume nice and high. What we want to do is click over here so that it's highlighted before we click down here to record. Now here's a sample message. Lift number 1, Elephone Building, Elephone Avenue, Elephoneville, Australia. Then you click stop. If you'd like to hear that message back again, simply click the play button. Lift number 1, Elephone Building, Elephone Avenue, Elephoneville, Australia. If you're not happy with that message, you can simply go up here to the message, click the bin and delete it. Start again. So let's have another go at that. Click it to make sure it's highlighted. So we don't want it unhighlighted, we want to highlight the message. Click on the microphone. Ready to go. Lift number 1, Elephone Building, Elephone Avenue, Elephoneville, Australia. Let's hear that back again to make sure everything's okay. Lift number 1, Elephone Building, Elephone Avenue, Elephoneville, Australia. So we're happy with that. We are going to save that to the device. As you can see, it's pushing it straight through to the phone. Click OK, and we're all done with user messages. Go back to configuration. Just one more time, I like to just click save to device to make sure you've got everything covered off and saved, and click OK, and that's it. Your phone is ready to go. Click disconnect device, unplug your cables and feed it to the elevator.